Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on DCU Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mymortgage.dcu.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for DCU Mortgage. Now in order to access your mortgage account, click on Access Portal underneath your loan. You will then be allowed to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the email address that you set up while creating your account. You can then type in your account password underneath within the password box. And now you can click on Login with email and you will be logged into your DCU mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password underneath the password section and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on DCU Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.